Hi friends, I'm here at Home Depot and I'm about to go inside to look for some seeds so that I can plant in my fall and winter vegetable garden. I am going to look for some carrots and some beets, and I'm really excited to plant them today. So I am looking for carrots. I'm going to take these, and I will take some beets. Let's take these. First thing you want to do when planting the seeds is to loosen the soil. Carrots and beets are root vegetables and require loose soil so that there isn't any resistance when they grow. And I want to mention that I'm not an expert, so I am doing my best to loosen the soil. Now I am making rows in which I will plant the seeds, and these rows are going to be 12 inches apart, and I will be making 3 of them. And I wanted to mention that the soil that we're using is a mix of garden soil and compost. I'm going to start by planting the carrot seeds, and they're so small, so I have to be really careful that they don't blow away. And I will be planting them in the rows about an inch apart. So I'm just going to run my hand across the row and sprinkle them about an inch apart. And I am planting these about a ½ inch deep. Next, I will be using my shovel to cover the seeds with the surrounding soil. Next, I will be planting the beets, and these seeds are a little bit larger. They almost look like small popcorn kernels. And I will be planting these in the rows and spreading them about 4 inches apart. And once again, I am using my shovel to cover the seeds with the surrounding soil. Carrots and beets are very slow to germinate, so it will take a few weeks for me to see any sort of significant growth. In about 4 weeks, you will start to see significant growth in carrot plants. In 2 months, the carrots will be about 12 inches tall. For beets, it'll be about 8 weeks for the plants to grow 8 to 12 inches tall, and then you will begin to see visible growth. One of the most important things is to keep the soil moist and to water them regularly. I am so excited to see the progress, and I hope that in a few weeks I will see significant growth, and then in a few months I will be able to enjoy all of the vegetables and start making chicken pot pie with the carrots. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys soon.